Google Forms is a free tool from Google that you can use to create any sort of thing like surveys and just data collection. In this video, I want to show you how to make a simple quiz that can actually be scored. So, for example, if you're a teacher and you give a history quiz or a math quiz, I, of course, would give a Google Photos quiz. But they can be used for just fun and games as well, like a trivia quiz or a quiz about the bride and groom at a wedding. It's the same steps that you would use to create a regular form. You visit Google Drive, find the folder where you want your quizzes stored, then click New and choose Google Forms blank quiz. Give it a title, add questions, then the special part is the answer key. You publish your form and copy the link to send out. Let's do it. Here I am in my Google Drive and I have a folder where I like to keep my forms. You click New and Google Forms and blank quiz. I'm going to create it in this folder. I will give it a name. It's going to be a very short quiz just for purposes of demonstration. So my first question is, to upload all your photos from your phone, install what app? It assumes I'm doing multiple choice, and that's perfect. I'm going to make up one thing, and then I'll give the right answer, and I'll make up one more. Now here's the special part, answer key. I just click on the option that is the correct answer, and I can also add answer feedback. Click there. You can add feedback for incorrect answers and correct answers. So for incorrect answers, I will just say no. For the correct answer, good job, and save. Now I want to add another question. You click the plus over in this toolbar. Oh, and notice it had 2 points. So that's how it can be scored, and you have control over that. I can make some questions be worth more points than others, or I can say they don't have any points. I'm making them 2. Next question. Using Google Photos on an iPad, you can view photos taken with an Android phone. Now, this is just true or false, but that's still a multiple choice where the first choice is true and the second choice is false. Answer key, the correct answer is true. For feedback on the incorrect answer, I'm going to give a little bit of explanation. And I'm just going to do one more question. Notice this automatically got to 2 points. I could change that if I wanted. And last question is, to straighten a crooked photo, use what tool? Now for this I need an image. I have this image, it's on my computer. So I go to my computer, find the image, and so there are the 3 tools that are the choices. Therefore option 1 is A in the image above, or B in the image above, or C in the image above. Answer key, the correct answer is B. Notice how it gets a check mark over here. I'm giving 2 points for this one. Answer feedback. For incorrect answer, I'm just saying no, the answer is B. Correct answer, I think I'll give a little bit of a description. Yes, that is the crop and rotate tool. To straighten a photo, you rotate it. And I save. That's it. I'm done with this simple little quiz. And then what you do is publish it. Just click publish on the top, and it's set to anyone with the link can respond to this. That's what I want. I click publish. Now I just need to get that link. That's this tool up in the menu bar, copy responder link. And I'd like to make it a little shorter, so I'll just check that box and copy. Now I want to test it. You can do that with preview, but I want to actually add some responses. So I'm going to go to an incognito window and paste that link in there. This is what the quiz looks like. To upload all your photos, install what app? Well, that's Google Photos. Using Google Photos on an iPad, you can view photos taken with an Android. I'm going to say false. I know that's wrong. To straighten a crooked photo, the answer there is B. You submit when you're done answering the questions, and then you can right away view the score. So it tells me that I got 4 points out of a total 6. That question was answered correctly. This one was incorrect, and it gives me that feedback. And this one was correct, and it gives me the feedback. Now I just want you to see what this looks like from the form point of view. So I am the creator of the form. I can now go back and see that there is one response. I click on the one response, and I have choices of summary, question, or individual. Now, there's only one response, so a summary just doesn't make much sense. But when you have a lot of responses, that summary view is really good. Question also is what were the responses to each question, but individual will show me just what the person who just took this quiz, what all of their answers were. You're limited only by your imagination. Think of a data collection or a quiz that you want to make, and look how easy it is, and 100% free. I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour.